To manifest wealth, we put into action the required wisdom. Welcome back to Grow Rich, Grow Happy. All my free thinkers, that place where we follow those breadcrumbs to wealth. Guys, we're about to follow some breadcrumbs. I want you guys we have to keep something in mind here about XRP. And that's what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about something I was looking at. I came across an article that says, here's how high XRP may reach with possible incoming zero capital gains tax. Now, guys, I've talked about that before, but this particular article, and it's very short, the analyst, he spoke on some things that I think we really need to remember as we keep our eyes on the prize on following those breadcrumbs to wealth. And I believe that XRP is going to play a major role in that, as well as other American-made crypto. And that's what we're going to be talking about, guys. This is a good one. So if this is your first time here, the only thing you can do for me really to show me your true appreciation and gratitude is smash that like button when you check out the videos. As always, if you find them educational, interesting in the least bit, pass them on with a friend and hit that bell notification. But before you do that, press that subscribe button if you haven't already. It does wonders. And guys, if you're looking for another channel as well, it's not a channel, it's just more close-knit group. Check out my Patreon, The Free Thinkers. There is information down below. There's a link. You can go over there. There's a free version and there's a paid version where I give you a little bit of my research. So check that out. I do plan on going live this weekend over there for all of the members, and that'll be around between 12 and 6. So it's either going to be 12 o'clock or it's going to be 6 p.m. Depending on the votes that I got over there. And then I'll just hang out with you guys, find out a little bit about you guys, what drives you, what are you looking for out of crypto, and we'll chit chat like that. So now let's talk about this article. I'm jump over here because I want to show you something, and then we're going to wrap it up. This is extremely important for anyone holding XRP or any other American-made crypto, whether it be XPR, Cardano, and that's one of the ones we're going to talk about as well. Hedera, HBAR, a lot of these. This is extremely important, guys. Check this out. So, like I say, I've seen this before, not this particular article, but people have talked about it. But I think right now with what's going on in crypto legislature and the things that they're working on, this is extremely something that's of importance that us as crypto investors can prepare for. Very easy. Check this out. So this analyst, he wrote this up, and they called it a bold, optimistic tweet. I find it to be just looking ahead, forecasting. In a bold, optimistic tweet, the crypto analyst behind the Modern Investor YouTube channel has suggested that a 2-digit price target for XRP is confirmed. I believe it is too. When they say 2 digits, they just mean like $10 and up. So the analyst claims that a confirmation of no capital gains tax by the U.S. government under Trump's presidency would trigger a massive surge in price of major cryptocurrencies, particular XRP and Cardano. We're going to discuss that because I couldn't agree more with this, and I've alluded to it in other videos, past XRP videos. Okay, they're saying according to the tweet, the prices of XRP and ADA could skyrocket to $10 in the coming months. Guys, I think this is something truly within range and within a true possibility, especially with what's going on. Now, they say the power of the tax policy on crypto prices, the idea of eliminating capital gains tax on cryptocurrencies or investments has long been a topic of discussion. Many investors believe such a policy would encourage more institutional and retail adoption by removing one of the biggest barriers to large-scale participation in the market. This is so true. And guys, for those of you new to this or new to crypto, I do know we have a lot of beginners out there. Where this stems from is back in January, Eric Trump, and it's right here, Eric Trump, Donald Trump's son, confirmed that a U.S.-based cryptocurrency like XRP may be exempt from capital gains tax. Meanwhile, non-U.S. crypto projects could face taxes of around 30%, depending on how long you hold them. Meaning if you hold them over a year or you hold them below that time, just like stocks, you could be penalized. So that's why they're saying it could go to $10. This, guys, this is so important. When Donald Trump, before actually he was elected, but once he got in, he said he wanted to make, his promise was to make America the crypto capital of the world. Nothing would solidify that more than having no capital gains tax on all American made cryptos, such as Ripple's XRP, What's American born, Cardano, HBAR, anything that started here, XPR, those that would be your money. Guys, do you know what that would do for the market? Oh my God. For one, you would start having moms, dads, grandmas, everybody making their way to crypto. And the reason, and they're already doing that, but it would cause it would add value to tokens like XRP. And here's how. Because now you're going to have people, institutional people and retail investors coming in. They're going to say, okay, it's going to be a no-brainer to hold anything that's made in America. That's going to be the first thing a lot of people look for. Hey, where's that crypto made? Oh, it came out of San Francisco. Okay, let me get $100 of that. And they're going to buy $100 and they're going to hold it. And it's going to cause the price to go up, because one of the main things in crypto is you buy when people are running, and when people are greedy, you sell. Well, what would happen is a lot of the smarter investors or those investors that actually get in and they buy it at whatever price, that's going to cause them to hold on to it longer, because they know that when they do sell it, they're not going to be penalized for it. They're not going to have to pay any capital gains tax. Imagine if you could buy lottery tickets and there was a guarantee that what you win, like if the lottery make it up to 500 million and you win that 500 million, you don't have to pay no taxes on it. Can you imagine how much more money would inflow into the state lotteries, or just the lottery period, regardless of people's financial well-being? They would flood to it. And hey, people already buy an astronomical amount of lottery tickets, but imagine if there was no taxes on it. So with that being said, people would look at crypto, especially American made crypto, as guaranteed money, guaranteed house money. You mean to tell me if it's made here and I buy it? Oh my God. See, because people tend to think that crypto is everywhere and everybody understand it. They don't. Not so long ago, Bitcoin was the only crypto that people heard about. But XRP was more so, when you heard about it, it was like, oh, that's that shady company. That's that company that the Security Exchange Commission is locking up. So everybody really gravitated to Bitcoin, or just stayed out completely. Imagine that if he make good on that promise and it happens. And I don't see there being any political problems with it, because here's the reason. I believe something like that, a no capital gains tax on American made companies, not only will it make people flock to here to start their crypto companies, but a lot of the politicians who would probably oppose it otherwise, and we've talked about some of those politicians, they would probably say, okay, I can get behind that. Why? Because I always tell people, regardless how good or bad somebody is, you have to see things for how they are, not how they're supposed to, how you want them to be. And one of the things I always see in people are inherently selfish. People are selfish. And I don't care who it is. A part of them is going to look at it and say, unless it's Jesus, they're going to look at it and say, what's in it for me? Everybody benefits from this, whatever side you're on. Whatever side you're on, whether you're into crypto or you're not into crypto, you benefit from this. It's something that you can get behind. So I foresee this article being spot on when it comes to elevating the crypto, because now not only are you going to have people taking their profits, but you're going to also have a lot of people keeping a lot of money in there as well, which is only going to add to the value of tokens like XRP, Cardano, XPR. A lot of people are going to leave some of that house money up there, because they know that when they do withdraw it, they're going to get it all. And that is my point. So guys, how do we as crypto investors prepare for something like this? The easiest way we can do, you get in when the markets are like they are now, regardless. XRP is at $2, $3, $4, doesn't matter. You get it. And that's not financial advice. You get it? Because if this happens, and I always told you guys, prepare for anything, especially with this legislature. Prepare for anything. They say one thing one day, and they might say something the other day that totally counteracts everything they just said. But if we prepare by holding these cryptos, buying and holding these cryptos before something like that does come up and everybody say, okay, it's passed. Now you don't have to pay no capital gains taxes on any of these American companies. Everybody's going to be running to the market. Price is just going to be rising up. But the smart people, the grow rich, grow happy, the free thinkers, we already got there because we foresaw this coming. And not only did we see it coming, we said there's a strong possibility that this happens, because that's going to make us the crypto capital of the world. That's how we get there first. That's how we make the money. That's how you get one step closer to generational wealth, guys. Let's follow those breadcrumbs. This is a breadcrumb. It's just telling us, get your house in order, have a diversified portfolio, and make sure you have some American companies in it. This your boy. To the next one, guys. You let me know down below. What do you think? Do you think that a no capital gains tax will just elevate all American crypto and the crypto market along with it, or not so much? Let me know down below. To the next one. This your boy. I'm out.